I've always wanted to buy a ball jointed doll, but I didn't put that in the title because it's not made of resin, and I've seen people being rude to doll collectors who are just starting out that, oh, it's not made of resin, so it's not a ball jointed doll. Well, it's a doll with joints, so it's a ball jointed doll. Still, I didn't put that in the title. I bought this in the Philippines and it costs around $18, which is like 700 pesos or something. It's cheap compared to actual dolls. Technically, this is my very first ball jointed doll, but I already had one before, though I never considered it a ball jointed doll. So finally, with a little bit of earnings, I decided to indulge myself because I just had turned a new age. So in the pictures, the head wasn't that pretty, but in person, it's really pretty actually. So I was happy with the face, but the body, it's a different story. See, when I received it, the feet was turned around. See, look at that. I had to turn the feet out again because it wasn't with a box, and I was so disappointed with that. At this part of the video, I was tapping the limbs, the thighs, and the chest. The chest and the thighs, they're made of hard plastic, whereas the limbs, they're softer. I don't know what it's made of. And shoes, they're freebies, so I was happy, I guess. There's no way because I bought a nude doll. I was planning to buy a nude doll, but nowhere in the description did it say that the head cannot be opened. So when I was browsing for a wig, nothing could fit to it. The head's like 25 centimeters in circumference, and it's so big. And most of the wigs I found are 21-ish. And it's hard to install it on the wig, and it's very expensive. It's like half the cost of the entire nude doll, and plus the shipping fees, so it was super expensive. I was like, never mind, I'll just have to make a wig for myself if I can. Putting on the head was difficult. I had to cut out some parts because it took me like a long time to put it on. The eyes are acrylic though. They're very beautiful. The eyelashes are obviously fake. It's made out of nylon. So the doll stands at 60 centimeters, which is 24 inches. And this is a 1/3 doll. It's an SD, 1/3 SD BJD. At least from what I've learned. So I made her a dress right after I made the unboxing video. And it was hard. It took me like a day. So these are my old cloths that I cut the fabric from. I used the white to use it on the white flaps of the blouse or the dress. I used the pink cloth on most parts of the dress. And I took the zipper from the black shirt because that shirt has like a lot of zippers. So I was going to give these shirts away, but I kept reaching out to organizations and no one was responding. So you know what? I'm just gonna cut it. This is the final dress. I think it's pretty cute. What do you think? Certainly it needs some work because I haven't made a dress for years. I was making doll dresses when I was 13-ish. I really loved doing it when I was young. And it's been years, so my hands Needed some practice, and it's my first dress after so many years. The sleeve was kind of tight, so I had to cut out some fabric off so that I'd fit her better. Because I'm bad at measuring. Side note, that's not our chicken. Just keeps wandering in our yard. So I laid down the doll and decided to put on her dress. Thank you for watching. Bye!